discuss the second type of directed writing. Now, in the previous video, I discussed with you the first type of directed writing, that is article writing. The next I'm going to discuss with you is a book review. Now, a book review, it is generally describes, evaluates, and analyzes the merits of a contemporary work. So, in a book review, it is unbiased and it is critical in nature. So, there is not a set pattern for writing the book review as such, but there are certain points which you have to remember while writing the book review. First of all, the name of the book, the name of the author, the publisher, number of pages, and the cost of the book must be written in the book review. Then an opening sentence should be there in which you set the tone of the book, you tell what the book is like, you tell which type of a book it is, a fiction or a non-fiction. Then you have to give a summary of the whole plot. There should be a storyline, a brief summary of the whole plot should be there, making references to the main characters, referring to the main scenes, the main incidents of the book, and then you have to also describe what the main idea, if there is a main idea that flows through the book, you have to specify that, and towards the end you have to give your opinion about the book, if there are any shortcomings, etc. If you want to recommend that book for the readers, you have to do that. So you have to follow each point which is given in the outline for writing a book review. So let me give you the details of writing the book review. Now children, let us discuss the details of writing a book review. First of all, choose the book you are well acquainted with and think about what you want to say. Second, decide on the most distinguishing characteristics of the book. Briefly describe the outstanding idea that runs through the entire book. Write down your topic sentences and the theme. Write down specific references from the book to illustrate the special points. Refer to scenes and dialogues in the book. Make your composition plan with paragraphs for each new step and use linking words and phrases to ensure a smooth transition from one idea to the other. And try to end on a positive note, leaving the readers with a specific picture or idea. Now, the outlines for a model book review are follows. For example, you will be given the same format, name, author, and theme of the book. In the first paragraph, you will write down these. Then, the second point of the outline is development of the theme. If there is some theme of the poem, how that theme develops throughout the poem. Then, specific examples from the theme illustrated. You can give examples to substantiate the theme which has been illustrated. Then, last of all, the overall impression. So, this is how you will write down. Here the book taken is the You Can Win, written by Shiv Khera. So right on the top of the page you will write down the name of the book which you are going to review. Name of the book in the center of the page. Then you will leave a line. Then with the margin you will begin with write down author. Write down the author of that book. Here it is Shiv Khera. Then immediately after that you can put a comma, write down who the publisher is. Publisher is Macmillan Publishers India Limited. Then under that on the next line, without leaving a line in between, how many pages? Pages 290, comma, price. Then you will leave a line and you begin with the first point of the outline, that is the second point, sorry, the first point was name, author, etc. Second is the development. First you have to write down introductory paragraph telling what the book is about. So here it is about Shiv Khera. He is a renowned author, business consultant, etc. You are giving introduction to the author. Then you will leave a line and then begin the next paragraph. In the next paragraph you will write about the theme. What is the theme of this poem? Just mention the main themes. Here it is about self-esteem, success, motivation, positive self-esteem, etc. That is the main theme of this book, You Can Win. Then leave a line. Then in the next paragraph you have to cover the next outline of the next point of the outline, that is how the theme is developed with the help of examples. You have to write down the examples, how he has shown developed the theme with the help of examples. Taking into account the various stories that he has told in the book to illustrate how that theme is developed. Then after you write down these examples, you will leave a line and then finally come to the overall impression that you have about the book in one paragraph. Simply what you feel about overall everything, the basic, the summary of the whole book. and then one concluding line you can add at the end. The book is a must read for all those who want to be winners. So this is how you're going to write the book review, but we are not going to put a box around it and everything. We will begin each point of the outline is going to be elaborated in a separate paragraph and separate out those paragraphs by leaving a line. I hope the method of writing a book review is clear to all of you. Thank you.